Welcome to today's guided body scan meditation. Find a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down with your cat. Take a moment to settle in, letting your body relax naturally. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhaling, releasing any tension. Feel your body start to unwind as you breathe in and out. Now gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your cat. Notice their presence beside you, the softness of their fur, and the warmth of their body. Allow this connection to bring you comfort and peace. Start by focusing on your feet. Feel the weight of your feet against the ground or the surface beneath you. Notice any sensations you may feel: warmth, coolness, or tingling. Take a deep breath and as you exhale, imagine any tension melting away from your feet. Move your attention to your legs, slowly scanning from your ankles up to your knees and thighs. Notice how your legs feel. Are they heavy or light? Relax any muscles that may feel tight. Allowing your legs to sink into relaxation. Now, bring your focus to your hips and pelvis. This area often holds a lot of tension. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of any tightness or discomfort in this region. Feel your hips and pelvis becoming more relaxed and at ease. Shift your attention to your lower back and abdomen. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each breath. If you find any areas of tension, breathe deeply into those spaces and release the tension with your exhale. move your awareness to your upper back and chest. Feel your chest expand as you breathe in, and relax as you breathe out. Let go of any tightness in your shoulders and upper back. Allowing them to drop and soften. Focus on your arms now, from your shoulders down to your fingertips. Notice any sensations in your arms, whether they are resting or slightly tensed. Take a deep breath, and with your exhale, let your arms relax completely. Feeling them become loose and heavy. Bring your attention to your neck and throat. These areas often hold stress and tension. As you breathe in, imagine the breath flowing into your neck. And as you exhale, release any tightness you may feel. Let your neck and throat become soft and relaxed. Now, focus on your face and head. Notice if you are holding any tension in your jaw, around your eyes, or in your forehead. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, allow your face to soften and your head to feel light. Finally, take a moment to scan your entire body, from your head down to your toes. Notice how your body feels now compared to when you started. Feel the sense of relaxation and calm that has spread throughout your body. Take one last deep breath in, when you're ready, remember, this body scan meditation is a wonderful practice to help you connect with your body and release tension. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you and your cat felt during this session.